Congratulations, team.
Thank you, Dad.
Hindi talaga tayo kaya ng mga aliens na yun. Panis yung mga yun.
Panis.
I think you're celebrating too early.
Kayo yung kumausap sa amin kanina, di po ba?
Team. This is Dr. Larry Hook. Siya ang bago ninyong commanding officer dito sa kampo. He was Dr. Smith's student. The position was offered to him previously, but he refused. Mabuti na lang nagbago ang isip niya and accepted the position nung nalaman niya yung nangyari kay Dr. Smith.
Dr. Larry Hook, welcome to our team.
Nakakapanibago po pala na may bago po kaming commanding officer.
Opo, kaya sana po maging close din po tayo. Gaya ng best friend kong si Dr. Smith.
But I'm not here to make friends with you. I am here to help you win this war. And I'm also here to train you harder. Because I think you're not good enough.
Meaning na naman. Ay, dyan, mukhang everyday bad day yata tayo.
Robert Armstrong. May problema ba tayo?
Wala, sir. I just so love training.
Good. Ganda na kayo para bukas. Sleep early and pray na mag-survive kayo dahil dalawa lang ang pwede niyong puntahan. It's either you shape up or you ship out.
Hindi ko kami natatakot, sir. Sanay na po kami.
Lieutenant Gurdon, be afraid. Be very afraid.